Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your PayPal account via the PayPal mobile application. First of all, download and install the PayPal application on your smartphone and launch it open. You will then come across this login interface. If you want to sign into your existing PayPal account, go ahead and write down your email or your phone number followed by your password for your PayPal account. If you don't have the account yet, you can tap on sign up and follow through the sign up process. For your existing PayPal account, go ahead and type in your email and then your password in the respective text boxes. After typing down your password, click on login. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the forgot password link and follow through the instructions. And soon after you do that, you will end up in the main homepage of PayPal. That's how you can successfully and easily log into your PayPal account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.